FDA now regulates e-cigarettes, vaporizers, and other electronic nicotine delivery systems, or ENDS, and the FDA Center for Tobacco Products, or CTP, is gathering information about problems with these tobacco products. CTP has received some reports of fires, burns, explosions, and overheating incidents associated with e-cigarettes and their components, such as the batteries. We're collecting information to better understand these events and the risks associated with e-cigarettes and other ENDS products in order to protect both users and non-users. We encourage concerned citizens, consumers, retailers, manufacturers, healthcare professionals, and any other interested parties to submit reports about problems with these products, especially any unexpected health or product quality problems associated with their use. There's an online reporting system available that makes that easy. The Safety Reporting Portal, found at www.safetyreporting.hhs.gov, streamlines the process of reporting tobacco product safety issues to CTP. You can report as a guest or create an account. When you file your report, we encourage you to include items such as the name of the manufacturer, brand name, model, and serial number of the product. Also, include the brand name, model, and any other information you can about the battery. We also are interested in where that product was purchased. CTP would also like to know as many details of the incident as possible, especially if the product was being used at the time of the incident. If so, tell us how it was being used, when the incident occurred, how it was typically used before the incident, and if it performed differently than usual. Also, report if the product was modified in any way. Please provide any other information you think could be relevant or helpful to CTP. Providing as many details as possible in your report is helpful. The more information you can provide, the more information we'll have to protect both users and non-users of these products. Remember that the Safety Reporting Portal is a way for you to provide information to CTP about problems with tobacco products. And if you experience an event that requires medical attention, contact a healthcare professional. If you are unable to submit a report using the Safety Reporting Portal, you can call CTP at 1-877-CTP-1373 or email us at askctp@fda.hhs.gov.